Let's lay these salmon bites out. Try to make it look pretty. That looks kind of good there. Got me some fresh salmon here. Yeah, so what we want to do is make ourselves a little appetizer. Some salmon bites. And so we're gonna go about like that. Roughly 4 inches, 6 inches apart, something like that. Be a little appetizer for your guests and stuff. You know, for the people who, you know, they don't want to eat nothing heavy during barbecue season. Invite them over for some wine, some Chardonnay. Got some salmon bites. Good for you too. So yeah. And still enjoying barbecue. Y'all know we gonna smoke it. All right, so we got that all nice and cubed up. Throw it in the bag here, like that. I'm going with a Caribbean flair. I'm gonna jerk it. With that knife sharp. Then I almost cut myself through the gloves. I don't think I did, because then I'll be feeling some blood right now. What? So, go ahead, use it all up. I'm sorry, y'all. I got to get my money's worth.
I know that's right.
Shoot. Be like, he petty. Yeah, we put a little Lorries in here too. Man, and that's it. And this is gonna make a nice, healthy, smoked, jerked, protein snack.
Yeah.
All right. Let this marinate overnight. And we're gonna make this little snack up tomorrow and snack on it. All right, see y'all tomorrow outside. My jerk salmon bites, y'all. And look at your boy innovating, right? I said, man, how am I gonna put these on here? I used the pizza screen. The pizza screen. See? He think he's smart. Boom. So I'm gonna leave them on there for about 20 minutes. And they coming off. This gonna be some good appetizers. Bougie backyard. Bougie backyard barbecue. I got some salmon bites for y'all.
Crazy.
I don't wanna mess up nothing now. Okay, there we go. Take these off. We don't want them to dry out. It's only about 15 minutes, so let's do it. All right, people, before we get ready to unveil these salmon bites, we're gonna try to get ourselves a sauce ready. You know, just to add a little flavor. People might want to dip it in something, you know what I'm saying? So, let's go a little butter. Yeah, just a little. We don't need to make it that much. We want the flavors to be subtle. And we're gonna do a little honey. Like that. Let's go ahead and get this lemon. A little lemon squeezed up in there. like that. Then we're gonna probably throw this in the microwave for a minute to get this butter melted down. So we'll be back with that. All right. Got our sauce. Pretty nice too. See how it tastes a little bit. Could use a little more honey. Yeah, just however you like to taste. Oh yeah, see, we got something right there. We're gonna add a little more pizzazz to it. Do some avocado. A nice healthy appetizer. All right, let's see if we can get this to look presentable. Let's do it in half. Let's lay these salmon bites out. Try to make it look pretty. That looks kind of good there. Nice little serving plate. We do it like that. All right, we getting there. Oh, he think he fancy. Yes, sir. Now, how good does that look when you serve to your guests at a barbecue? You know, you just having some guests over, y'all doing something light. You know what I'm saying? A light drink. You know, we only doing a couple of drinks. Ain't nobody getting slapped. Delicious. Smokiness and jerk and everything. Now we dip it in the sauce. Look at that. Next level now. So this is something lightweight, y'all, for the people. Be like, hey, I don't want no heavy barbecue for the summer. We can still make it fun, do something lightweight for them. Hey, these little salmon bites, do some avocado. They see the avocado, they gonna really think, like, oh, okay, you know, I'm eating healthy. You know, I ain't doing nothing to my figure. So they gonna love that. Have some white wine for them, a little tequila, a little margaritas, you know, light beer. You can have a lightweight barbecue. All right. So y'all see how that's done? I'm gonna catch y'all back on the next one. Hit that subscribe button, tap the like button. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. And we just gonna keep on cooking. Let's enjoy the summer, y'all.